Hey queens and kings, let's just get right into this tutorial. So I have my hair in a side part. I want the side part to still show, but not too much. So I'm just sectioning this front part of my hair. And to do this, to create this part in the front, I actually used a pair of black stockings. I cut the leg portion and I rolled it to my liking. So I'm just going to conceal that underneath the hair. For this hairstyle, I did not backcomb the hair. I also did not use hairspray, and I also did not use a comb. So when I say it's easy, and it's really effortless. It doesn't take much. So I only had to use about 3 or 4, maybe 5 bobby pins just to secure the hair in place. I'm just smoothing the hair with my fingers as well, just to make sure that it looks nice and neat. But at the same time, with this hairstyle, we still want there to be some imperfection because that's what makes it special. So for the ponytail, we definitely want the ponytail to be high and elevated because that's going to make the updo look really, really pretty. So I wrapped the elastic around 2 times, and then on the 3rd time you'll see what I'm doing. You see, I'm not pulling the hair all the way through. So this is the fun part. This is actually my favorite part of the tutorial. This is where we're going to begin fanning out this section. And then for the rest of the hair that I left out that looks like a long tail, you'll see it in a minute. I'm just going to wrap that around the elastic just to conceal it, just like this. And the fact that the hair is still kind of long and thick, like the tail portion, it makes the updo look more elevated, which is really, really nice. So now I'm just adjusting the hair at the top of the updo. It looks really pretty. I like how it looks imperfectly perfect. That's exactly what I was going for, and that's exactly what I achieved. And I know that you can too, because I made sure that this tutorial was super easy for you. So this is actually what the back looks like. It looks really pretty. Oh my goodness. And you see how the side part looks? That's exactly what I wanted. It is totally up to you, but if you want, you can adorn this hairstyle with an accessory. This hairstyle is extremely versatile, and what I love about it is you can wear it during the day, at nighttime, going back to school, going to a special occasion. The versatility is absolutely amazing, and as you can see, it really looks gorgeous. This definitely has to be one of my favorite hairstyles because it looks more complicated than what it really is, because as you can see, we achieved this hairstyle in less than 3 minutes. This hairstyle is a perfect example of effortless elegance, and I had a delightful time recording this tutorial for you.